In this video, we will discuss next methods of array in JavaScript, that is slice. The JavaScript array slice method extracts the part of the given array and returns it. It never changes the original array but makes a copy of it. Such as I have given array here, orange, mango, banana, sugar, tea are the elements of it. I have done slice. In slice, I gave start indexed. What is starting indexed? It is 1. Now orange is at 0, mango at 1, banana at 2. Sugar at 3 and tea at 4. Now you have to extract slice element till 3. What it will do, will take mango and banana. In result, these two will come. I will run and see, so the result is mango, banana. Now in the same way we will see here another example. Now I have told it to slice 3. I have not given any starting index here. Only told to slice 3. Now what it will do in 3, it will take end index. If I do it document.write, I will do Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Here I say array 2. So what it will do, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, D, E, F, G from last. Let's change its message here. Alpha value is, then it will print D, E, F, G, the end ones. Let's do another example. In array, I have AngularJS, Node.js, jQuery, and Bootstrap, these 4 elements. Now I want to do slice. Starting index, I have given 0 from AngularJS till 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then it will show first 3, AngularJS, Node.js, and jQuery. These first 3. We will do BR here so it doesn't join with the line. We will run and see. It has shown first 3 from 0 till 3. Now we can also give negative number here. If we give negative number, then what happens? We select with Ctrl A, then Ctrl U. Here we have given -4, -1. Now we have to see total length. 0, 1, 2, 3. Means the length is 4. We will minus the first one. When we minus, the result is 0. First, it will take 0 value, AngularJS. From 4 we have done so. It will go till 3. AngularJS, Node.js, and jQuery will not come. If I see this, above and below result must be same. I have got same results. This was my method of slice. After slice, we have another method of splice. It also takes elements. What happens here? Let's see. JavaScript array splice method changes the contents of an array. First, it removes, then adds. We have the option of removing or adding. Let's see an example of this method. I have orange, mango, banana, sugar, and tea. Now I have told it to splice. Slice and splice are different. Before I had 2 arguments. Now I can give 3. I have given it starting index. Starting index is 2. I have told it to remove 1, that is mango, and bring water in its place. If I run and see what it will do to original array. Splice also changes original array. We have mango, water, sugar, tea. Let me write removed after array. It has removed banana from 1, and what it has added. For add, we will see the array again. We will see 0, 1, and it has added water, sugar, and tea will come as it is. Here it has removed banana from 1 element. Start from 2. Starting from 2, it has removed banana and added water. Right? So we have discussed here slice and splice.